Stop taking multivitamins until you hear this. For most healthy adults who eat a balanced diet, large research reviews show that daily multivitamins do not significantly reduce heart disease, cancer, or overall mortality. But that doesn't mean they're useless. They are important in specific situations. Pregnant women need 400 to 800 micrograms of folic acid daily to prevent neural tube defects. People with low vitamin D may require 800 to 2000 IU per day, depending on their levels. Vegans often need vitamin B12 supplementation, and women with heavy periods may need iron, but only if blood tests confirm deficiency. Here's the part many people don't know. More is not better. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K can accumulate in the body and cause harm if taken in excess. Multivitamins are meant to fill proven gaps, not replace real food. If you're feeling tired or concerned about deficiencies, get tested before you supplement. Follow Health in Brief for clear science-based health facts.